This is Journey. Let's go ahead and take a look at another AP World History problem. This problem brings a new challenge with a photograph as a stimulus. Photos can be difficult because it's really hard to predict the question based only on the photo. The good news is we have more than the photo to go on. You'll always have a caption. So from this caption, we can tell that we are looking at Angkor Wat, a temple in Cambodia that began as a Hindu temple and later became a Buddhist temple. Fantastic. Now we have to break down the question. Go ahead and give this one a try. We can see that our task is to relate this temple to larger developments in Southeast Asia from 1200 to 1450. So let's take a look at the answers. Choice A, well, this doesn't really relate to the photograph that we're given. While the Delhi Sultanate may have emerged during this time, that was an Islamic state and is thus unrelated to Hinduism or Buddhism, and so we can totally eliminate choice A. Let's take a look at B. Well, for the first part of this, we don't really see tensions between Hinduism and Buddhism, and certainly not really alluded to in the photograph. Plus, Sikhism is not related in the photograph, and this was something that emerged in Central Asia, not Southeast Asia, so we can also eliminate choice B. Choice C, it's pretty general, the rise of new Hindu and Buddhist states. But we know that this image would support it because the building of a temple as large as Angkor Wat and the fact that it was around long enough to have been established as a Hindu temple and then to have transitioned to a Buddhist temple suggests that it definitely is a product of a lot of resources which a rising state would have. So let's leave C, even though it's pretty broad. Choice D, well, Chinese political rule did extend beyond East Asia, but that's not really shown here. So it's not related, right? Just like A and B. So even though choice C is very general, that's our correct answer because it is in fact supported by the image and it answers the question. Your takeaways here are to remember the correct answer will always reflect a true historical phenomenon, and it will check all of the points required from the question, even if it's not as specific as you might have expected. This question is from Kaplan's new AP World History QBANK. There you find hundreds of questions, all with detailed explanations. You can even make your own quizzes based on time period. To learn more, click the link in the description.